Hello to all my friends out there. So I want to make a small pot of stew. And I'm using this turkey burger that I got at 99¢ only. I like it. And I'm frying it in some extra virgin oil. I'm trying to follow the instructions of how to be healthy and never be sick again. Go to my Twitter if you want to see the video. So I'm just using the vegetables that I have on in the house. I have I put a handful of minced onions, some seasoned salt, some pepper, and so I think if you make your food from scratch, it's cheaper. So I bought this at some point, so might as well use that. That'll be good. Now I want to I'm going to pour it all in. This cost me $1. I have $1 worth of turkey burger in there and some potatoes and carrots. And the reason that I want to pour it all in there is because as soon as it comes to a boil, you know, I'm going to cook it down. And when it starts to boil, I have a little of this whole wheat pasta, and I'll put some of that in there. So this will be a nice little soup or stew. I can thicken it up, and then I have cornbread in the stockpile. So this will be a cheap little meal. I'll have enough for a couple days. I want to show you something. Okay, I am selling this book on eBay, but everyone can't buy this book, but I can give everyone some of the recipes, the cookie recipes at this time. So you guys can just take a screenshot. These are some really good recipes to have. And then this page. And I think there's one. That's it. Okay, so I will be back, and it's starting to get a little bit festive around here. I was kind of busy today, but you know, I was doing a little housework. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.